King Kula, I gotta say, you've outdone yourself. Not only did you mock me for my various singing and the Persian twirl gay jokes, but then you went and you made a great contribution to Warrior Showdown, and that makes everything else alright in my book. You, sir, are an inspiration to all, a champion among men, and you're just so damn good looking.